Does your phonics program include practice for your students to learn how to write the letters? If not, this is the video for you because letter formation is a very important foundation of writing. Now, in a perfect world, we would all have phonics curriculum that teaches our students those initial letter sounds. And while we're teaching those initial letter sounds, we're also then going straight into how to form each letter so that students know how to write them. Unfortunately, not every phonics program includes this, or the ones that do don't include it in a hands-on way. So what I want you to notice about this example that I'm going to show you in the classroom is that we really introduce letter formation in a way where our students can see it visually, they can practice it in ways where they're going to retain that information. We're not just going to learn how to write it on paper, we're going to really look at how to form it properly and practice it in several different ways. I'm going to go straight into this lesson, so I hope that you love it. Please let me know in the comments what you notice or what questions you have about letter formation.
So we have been learning about the letter A. Now that we've learned what sound A makes, we're going to learn how to write it today, okay? So first I just want you to watch me write it. We always start at the top when we write our capital letters. So I'm going to write slant down, across. This is our capital letter A. So anytime your eyes see letter A, your mouth says ah, like apple. Can you say it with me? Ah. So this is letter A. All right. Let's watch it over here. Oops. All right, we're going to try to trace this together. So I want you to hold up your finger, and you can kind of point it at that letter A up there and see how it's making that letter A. Starting at the top, let's do it together. Slant down, across. One more time, ready? Slant down, across. Good job. Put your finger on your mat, top of the letter A. Let's practice it together. Always start at the top. Ready? Right here, there you go. Ready together? Slant down, across. Good job, one more time. So start at the top, slant down, across. All right, now you get to write. Grab your marker. There we go. All right, start at the top. Good job. Slant down, across. And you can look up here if you forget. You can watch it. Go ahead and trace it again, just right on top of what you already did. Slant down, across. And what sound does this A represent? Ah, good. Ah, like apple. All right, once you finish tracing, go ahead and close your marker and set it down on top of your mat or off to the side. All right, now we're going to look at lowercase a. All right, I'm going to draw it over here, and then you can also look at it here. So lowercase a starts by curving back, up and down, just like that. This also represents that ah sound, okay? Hold up your finger. Let's trace that lowercase a. Ready? Curve back and around, up and down. One more time. That one's a little trickier. Curve back and around, up and down. All right, let's do it on our paper first. Oh, fingers first. You guys are so excited, I know. Let's do fingers first. Okay, so put your finger on your lowercase a. Curve back and around, up and down. One more time. Curve back and around, up and down. Okay, now you can write it. Curve back and around, up and down. Do it one more time. Look, you did a great job. Curve back and around. And what sound do both of our letter A's represent? Ah, like apple. Good job. All right, you can close your marker and put it away. Now you guys get to erase. Good job. That was pretty easy, huh?